Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can simply add ads to your videos on YouTube. And there are actually two ways how we can do it. So the first one is, you're gonna see it here, the monetization on. This is the first thing. The second thing that I want to show you is this. When you're gonna press like this one here, edit, monetization on, okay. But also ad settings, update type of ads, and you can just like add like different ads. The skippable video ads and non-skippable video ads are earning more money, most of the money, so I would choose those, but I would choose like all of them, it's okay. So now when I'm going to press, give me a second, and find a 10-minute video, let me show you this one here, editor, and you can see here that I already have ads, so you can see the ad breaks. But what you can do is just easily add an ad break here, just move it where you want to have it, really simple. What I recommend is adding the break and adding the ad break after, like, I don't know, 3 minutes, because the ads are playing only after 3 minutes, so it's pointless to put it here if you get like 10-minute video. So again, every 3 minutes, every 4 minutes, but also insert ads in quiet times. What do I mean by that? Don't put ads on parts in which you are explaining something. If you are like, there is a lot of action, so I'm not going to put it like right straight away in the beginning of the video or when I'm editing something really important. And you can see it here. So this is the ad, and I will just delete it, and voila. So this is like really cool, really simple. Also, you can like edit the time here for your ads. That's also pretty simple and pretty easy. What I recommend is, when you have like 10-minute video, add like, I don't know, 3 ads, that's okay. 20-minute video, 4 ads. Also, what I would recommend is, when you're gonna put, let me show you. Here it is. Monetization. Also put one ad after the video. That's just my recommendation, what you can do. So this is what you can do. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.